Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a waterproof container. Go ahead, cut these straws. Right here I got Benadryl already done. I'm going to throw that right in there. I have a pack of Excedrin migraine. Basically a little survival kit. And an Altoid container. There we are. Alright, so you're going to take your needle nose pliers. Pinch that off. And melt that little corner. I rub my lighter on it. You don't want your pliers getting too hot. They'll melt your straw. Piece of steel wool to help start a fire if you need it. I carry this setup with me to work and everywhere I go. I'll post a link down below in case you want to order one. This small container, we're going to put hooks in it. Don't need that many. There we go, there's a couple hooks in there. Not going to use that many sinkers. There we go. Oh, 2 or 3, because usually you lose one here and there. Make sure your hooks and everything are pushed down as far as they can go, so you get a good seal. And I'll leave that on there for a few seconds just for it to start melting. And rub it with your lighter. And that one part didn't seal. Sometimes you get a straw that's a little stubborn. There we go. There's our hooks. Now right on this one, what's in there? Although I already know. So there's our hooks. Liquid Band-Aid. Small minor cuts, scrapes, and fire starter. Could put swivels in that little hook container if you want to. It's up to you. I don't personally, but that's me. I'm going to take a piece of this. I'll rub it between my hands so I can get in this container a little bit easier. Making sure it's sealed. Feed it down through. Try to seal this one off. Rub it a little bit. And there you go. Alright, 10 down here. For short, because I know what's in there. You got enough room in here for a lighter. Oh, duct tape's right in front of me. You're gonna go ahead. Get this back piece right here, where those holes are. Make sure that's firmly pressed. Fold it down. Press that in the crack there. And flatten out the rest. Duct tape has a lot of uses, so I carry it on me everywhere I go. It can be used for a fire starter. Can be used for your tent, your hammocks, shoes, clothes. There's endless possibilities for this. So I'm going to go ahead, put my stuff back in here. Got to arrange it just right. Oh. I'm probably going to have my daughter open this for me, because I don't think I'm going to be able to. I'm going to drop that right in there, just like that. I don't know where my towel went. Oh, nope, I got it. Alright, pulled it out. There's the lighter. Show you the tinder isn't wet. Water lighter gets a little warm after a while. There you go. And this next little trick is your boot. You're going to take a piece of paracord, about as long as your shoelace, if not longer. As soon as I find the end. There it is. I'm going to start down here. Give yourself a couple, about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. You measure out your paracord with your shoelace. I prefer to have extra paracord, so I'm going to go a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right there. Get this out of the way. Oh, there's my towel right behind me. Before this starts getting loose and frayed, you're going to want your duct tape right about there. You're going to roll it as tight as you can. cut off your excess. I might need a whole piece. Wait, this is going. There we go. Cut my fingernail, right? I'll show you what we'll do with the bread bag in a minute. Basically, you're gonna go and lace your boot. With your paracord. Paracord can be used for fishing, shelter, fire starting. It's got a lot of uses. Use any type of paracord you want. Alright, since this is a little frayed, it's going to be firmer than it is up here at the top. Cut that piece off. But this can be used. It catches pretty quick. Same. Got a few uses. I love using paracord. It's one of my favorites. I put hammocks up with it. I need a small piece, nothing huge, about that big. You're going to do the same thing you did with that first side. This part does take a little bit of time. Alright, you're having a little bit of trouble getting that one piece through there. Take your needle nose pliers. Pull it through. Alright, so the black duct tape came off, so I went ahead and retaped it. See how that's all frayed? Cut that little bit off. I'm going to take super glue. Do not glue your fingers. I've done it a lot. And glue each end, just like that. That one don't want to come off. Just let it dry. Super glue, you know, don't take long to dry at all. Now you're out, lost in the woods. I carry a couple plastic bags on me. The reason being is it can gather rainwater, help protect from insects, spiders, everything else that climb inside your boot. Fold this over. You got a rain collector. Worst case scenario. Boots aren't waterproof? I use a heavy duty water shield. There are other things out there, or you can buy rubber boots. It's up to you. But if you go and, I don't know what to do with it. Go out in the woods and you have your Altoid container with you, you might want to carry some sheepskin with you. It'll help with blisters, irritation from rubbing, anything like that. Really comes in handy. I don't know what the heck I do with mine. Wow. I have no idea. Hey, look, there's all in the bag. That's alright. Still got water. I'll catch you guys later. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Watching Nature's Wild Playground. Click on one of my other videos.